How to reset Messenger PIN code. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to do so. So let's get started. So Messenger PIN is used for end-to-end encrypted chats. So if you forget it, you can just reset it easily. So for that, we can open up the Messenger application directly and look out for the profile picture icon, or go to the menu option in the bottom right and open it up and access our settings of our Messenger. Now within our settings, we need to go to the section for privacy and security. You may scroll down and go to the section for preferences and find this option called privacy and safety and tap on it. And within here, we'll be finding an option called end-to-end encrypted chats. So find that option and go ahead and tap on it. And once we tap on it here, we can reset our PIN. So we have this option called message storage. We can tap on it and there will be finding option called how you sync your chat history with an option called reset a PIN. So what we can do is we can reset the PIN. We can tap on reset PIN and there we can just go over and reset our PIN. We can type in the new PIN here and then we can confirm it using our Facebook password or a Google or Apple account, and the PIN will reset successfully. You can just go over and follow this method. Or if not this, you can open up the encrypted chat from your main home screen directly. Find the chat option and find the encrypted chat. And when asked for PIN, you can tap on forgot PIN and verify your identity and create up a new PIN. And that's it. Usually that is the method you can follow up. If you do not see that option, update the messenger to the latest version and make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account and you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.